Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be making Godiva nail art. I made this set with regular polish. And then a few viewers wanted to see how I do with gel nail. So I'm gonna be doing this transfer nail with gel nail. I wanted to try a new design. So today I chose a Godiva design. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm gonna design with an app called CanDo. I type postcard in Japanese in the search window. I don't need these templates, so I'll swipe it off. Tap the camera roll and tap one design I screenshot. Let's make it small. I'm pinching it out to the size of the actual postcard. This way, I got the real size of the postcard on the smartphone screen. Now I'm gonna be deciding the size of the design. I usually make the first one a little bit big. Copy that and make it a little bit smaller. It costs to color print this. Plus sometimes the design is too small or too big, so I make many of them. This many. Save this in your smartphone. I went to a 7-Eleven and color copied it. Please refer to this video as to how to make a color print in a 7-Eleven in Japan. I'm gonna be using this yellow one for the thumbnail. I'm gonna be using package film, acetone-free remover, and small cut plastic folder. A few drops of the remover. Whoops, it was too much. Place the plastic. I usually use tweezer's end to scratch it. Remove the plastic and the paper. I'm gonna clean the remover with water. Dry it really gently. Wow, it's so beautiful, yay! But this is too transparent, so I have to do something more. A nail form. I'm gonna be painting gel nail milky white. I'm painting it really thinly and evenly. Foil glue gel. Again, I'm painting it really thinly. I need to cure it for 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna transfer the design onto it. I'm just keeping scratching it. I use this firm part to scratch it. I also use tweezers to scratch it. Perfect. I'm painting non-wipe top coat thinly. So I just made kind of like a decal. It's nicely curved too. I'm gonna paint the thumbnail with chocolate brown. This is 3 coats. Pour glue gel again. I'm putting the handmade decal on it. Actually, I messed up with something. some air is trapped here, here, and here. I tried to peel it and let the air go, but I couldn't, so I cut them a little and let the air go. This is a viscous top coat. I'm painting a non-wipe top coat. The thumb is done. I'm gonna do the little finger and the middle finger. This is a nice milk chocolate color. Bon Pretty's Autumn Water Lacquer Magnetic Gel. It looks pretty dark, but it's actually pretty transparent. That's why I painted the milk chocolate color first. So this is a pinky, and this is a middle finger. Foil glue gel. I use it to stick some rhinestones on it. I'm painting non-wipe top coat. I'm cleaning the gel on top of the rhinestone. The middle finger. I'm gonna do the ring finger now. Cutting out the design. Cutting the film. Place the design on it. Acetone-free remover. A piece of plastic. Scratching. Oh, it's beautiful. Cleaning the film with water. I don't need nail form this time. I'm painting milky white gel nail on the ring finger twice. There's no uncured gel. I could use foil glue gel, but this time I'm gonna use this anti-slip liquid. Trying to put it in the center. Yes, I did. I always feel nervous when I peel off the film. Yes, I did it. I'm gonna put some accessories on it. Applying non-wipe top coat to finish this. It's beautiful. Okay, the index finger. 3 coats. Have a stamper and a scraper ready on the table. This is not a credit card, so I can show you the numbers or whatever. This Bon Pretty stamping polish is great, especially when stamped on a dark color. Finishing it with a non-wipe top coat. This set came out so nice, even though I have no idea what it says on the index finger. The thumb. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!